Welcome to the garden. It has changed for fall. Let's go check it out. Welcome back to the garden, guys. It is July and we're gonna do our next garden tour. So I never got this video out to you guys, so you're gonna get to see the garden transition from July to August and get replanted for our fall garden. So stay tuned till the end. Guys, look at how tall the sunflowers got. And the tomatoes, I have a tomato jungle and they have like made a little tunnel. Look at it. You gotta go under. It's a tomato jungle. I love these yellow pear tomatoes. They are so delicious. Guys, another one of our favorites this year are these orange Romas. They're absolutely delicious. Love them. Okay, we gotta get picking today. Some of these are bright red. So with some of our cherry tomatoes this year, we made our cherry tomato salsa, and then we did half a peach variety, and then we also, Kevin took the juices and made our own barbecue sauce, which came out amazing. And we did use some of the peach juice to sweeten it up. Looks like the eggplant are coming on strong, guys. Jalapeno, jalapeno, jalapeno. Guys, have you seen this pumpkin? Oh my God. It has exploded. We have got some pumpkins growing. And who grew borage this year? I love it. So good and like refreshing when you're in the garden. Little minty. It's delicious. Welcome to the weedy mess. This is what happens when you go on vacation. Your onions and the potatoes, which they're all coming out this weekend. Okay guys, welcome back to my garden. So I never got my garden video out. So here we are in August and we are replanted for fall, and we have gotten so much production from this garden, and the pumpkin is huge. The sunflowers have grown. I got one that actually had an early blossom. It was one that stayed really short. I don't know, there must have been like a smaller seed mixed in with these giant ones. So guys, this is where the corn was. There's a couple left right here that were leaning, but most of them got knocked over in that huge storm we had. And they weren't really developed yet. They were tiny. But we will see if we can get a couple more ears. Look at this baby watermelon. Oh my God, so cute. These eggplants are starting to put on a lot more flowers, and we just got a huge round of eggplants. The peppers are doing good this year, and I actually have radish going to seed in the middle of all of this that I never picked. So I'm just gonna let it go to seed. I mean, some of the leaves got huge. There's another batch back there, and I am always running out of radish seeds. So we'll see if I can get some. Love hanging out with garden people, because did you guys know that these patty pan squash can't get this powdery mildew? They're resistant to it. Powdery mildew has killed some stuff, but these patty pans are going strong. You can tell which ones they are. at how much greener they are. But you guys want to see what I've planted? There's stuff starting to pop up everywhere in the fall garden. We did some bush beans here, and then there's another patch of them back there and a couple here. We did another row of beans here that goes all the way back with radish right down the middle. And then we did a row of beets that are just starting to pop. And then some mustard, sorrel back there. Then these are pickle bush cucumbers that are gonna go right down here. I did some vining cucumbers on this trellis here. Underneath that, I did watercress. Next to that, I did spinach underneath these sunflowers. And then I did a couple more zucchinis over here, actually. Here's one popping here. And here we still have nothing. This is normally where we do our garlic and where we pulled our potatoes from. And now that I'm looking, I feel like I see some potato plants still there. I did this row of kohlrabi and then a split row of collards, which are actually growing, and curly parsley back there. Today, oh, actually, no, I still have, we pulled out some zucchinis that were dead and planted a patch of carrots right here. And we are gonna do some more zucchinis up there just because the ones that were back here were not doing so good. This parsley we cut back, this basil we cut back a couple times. Look, some more zucchinis. I gotta get those in the ground. So just remember to keep watering, guys. You don't want your seeds to die because this will dry out quickly because it's so hot. So don't forget to water and get those seeds in the ground. Up here in Connecticut, this is like the last weekend that you can plant stuff. I might put those zucchinis in some containers just in case I do have to move them into the greenhouse. So guys, thanks for joining us on our garden tour for July and August combined. The garden's changed a lot. I'm kind of glad it got consolidated down into one video because you can see the change. Look what else we have new for August, guys.